Hey, it's Jasir, Red Clay Detailing. How do you clean your grill? It's caked on dirt, build up. Yes, you can help me. Come on. It's caked on dirt, build up from months or what have you. Just not washing it, just whatever the reason is. So you have little brushes like this. Toothbrush may work depending on your grill, the openings in your grill. So for me, then this particular brush, it has a little piece like this. So I got this from a supplier, but it has a small piece where you can get in some of the little tighter areas where this won't fit. So that won't fit there, or it's not as easy. It'll get in there, but it's take a little effort. But this just go there, and that's pretty much it. It's just tedious because there's so many openings. You probably want to pre-spray it with an all-purpose cleaner to break it down. Break it down to soften it up and make it a little easier to get the build-up off. But otherwise, just take the time to clean this out and make a day of it. I don't know if it'll take you a day, but it definitely will take some time and patience. So get at it. Find a couple of toothbrushes around the house, small brushes that can help you, maybe some Q-tips or something like that, and keep your grill nice and clean. Hope this was helpful. Take care.